Understanding who just joined. Hello and welcome, learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, who just joined. This phrase is often heard during online meetings or conference calls, but it's also useful in various other contexts. Let's dive into understanding every aspect of this phrase, ensuring you can use it confidently in your conversations. Who just joined? Is a question commonly asked during online meetings, phone calls, or even in physical gatherings. It's used when someone enters the conversation or meeting, and the speaker wants to identify the new participant. The word just implies that the action happened a moment ago, emphasizing the immediacy of the situation. Let's dissect the phrase for a better understanding. Who refers to asking about a person or individuals. Just indicates that the action occurred very recently, almost immediately before the current moment. Joined is the past tense of join, meaning to become a part of a group or activity. When you put it all together, who just joined is asking for the identity of the person who recently became part of the group or conversation. This phrase is especially common in virtual meetings. Imagine you're in a video conference, and you hear a notification sound indicating someone new has entered. A participant might ask, "Who just joined?" to acknowledge the new person and possibly address them directly in the discussion. It's not only for formal settings, you might use it informally too. For instance, if you're in a group chat and notice a new number or name, you might ask the same question to know who the new addition is. While who just joined is straightforward, it's important to maintain politeness, especially in professional settings. If you're the host, you might want to soften the question to make it more welcoming. Like, "Could I know who just joined, please?" Or, "I noticed someone new joined us. May I ask who it is?" And that's a wrap on the phrase, who just joined. We hope this video clarifies its meaning, usage, and the appropriate contexts to use it. Remember, it's a handy phrase for identifying new participants in various types of gatherings, especially in the digital world. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey.